Good morning students. In our first lesson, today we are going to complete our question answers. In our exercise, question number 1, complete the sentence by selecting the correct option. First, the earth requires 24 hours for one rotation in 1 hour. The correct one is 15 longitudes will face the sun. Next, to calculate the difference between the local times of any two places on the earth, the difference in degrees of their longitudes should be known. Next one, the difference between the local time of any two consecutive longitudes is 04 minutes. Now next, question number 2. Give geographical reasons. Number first, the local time is decided by the noon time. The local time is decided by the noon time. The answer is there. See, the answer first point, the sun reaches the maximum height in the sky almost half of the day. Daytime is over and this time is considered 12 noon. Then next point, the time of a particular place as decided by the overhead. Position of the sun in the sky is considered as the local time of that place. Next point, during the rotation of the earth, when a particular longitude comes exactly in front of the sun, it is considered as noon time. It means 12 noon. On that longitude, this way the local time is decided by the noon time. So next question, the local time at Greenwich is considered to be the international standard time. The local time at Greenwich is considered to be the international standard time because, now see, the international standard time has been decided according to 0 degree longitude. Next, 0 degree longitude passes through Greenwich, England. For an international coordination is essential to bring compatibility between the standard times of the various countries in the world. For this purpose, the local time at Greenwich is considered to be the international standard time. So next question, the standard time of India has been decided by the local time at 82.5 degree east longitude. The standard time of India has been decided by the local time at 82.5 degree east longitude. The answer of this question here, with respect to the longitude, 82.30 degree east longitude passes through the middle of India. The difference between the local time at 82 degree to 30 east longitude and local time at the extreme east and west longitude passing through India is not more than 1 hour. Therefore, the standard time of India has been decided by the local time at 82.5 degree east longitude. Next question, Canada has 6 different standard times. Canada has 6 different times because, now see, the longitudinal extent of Canada is between 52 degree 37 west and 141 degree west. Thus, the difference, the extreme east and west longitude passing through Canada is of 38 degree. The difference between the local time at extreme east and west longitude passing through Canada is of 352 minutes is that 5 hours and 52 minutes. Therefore, it is not practically helpful to consider single standard time in Canada. Now, next question. Answer in brief. First one, if it is 12 noon at 60 degree east longitude, then explain what would be the time at 30 degree west longitude. Now, answer is here. The difference between 60 degree east longitude and 30 degree west longitude will be of 90 degree. The difference of 60 degree between 0 degree and 60 degree east, the difference of 30 degree between 0 degree and 30 degree west is equal to 90 degree. Difference in local time 90 into 4 means 360 minutes. 360 divided by 60 minutes, it became 6 hours. Longitudes lying to the east on any longitude are ahead of the time of that longitude, while those lying on the west are behind. Therefore, if it is 12 noon at 60 degree east longitude, then it would be 6 am and 60 degree west longitude behind by 6 hours. Next question. How is the standard time of place determined? The answer of that question is that the local time at the longitude passing through the middle of a country or place is generally considered as a standard time of that country or place. If the difference between the local time at the extreme east and west longitude passing through a country is less than on 2 hours, one standard time is considered for a country. Thus, there exists only one standard time in a country having comparatively more longitudinal extent. The next question. A football match being played at Sao Paulo, Brazil started in India at 6 am IST Indian Standard Time. Explain what would be the local time at Sao Paulo. The answer is that statement for any longitude lying to the west of particular longitude, the local time decreases by 4 minutes for every longitude. Sao Paulo is located to the west of India. The difference between the longitudes of Sao Paulo and India is 127 degree to 30. Difference in local time is 127.5 into 4. It becomes the 510 minutes. 510 minutes divided by 60 minutes becomes 8 hours and 30 minutes. Thus, if it is 6 am at India, it will be the 9:30 pm of the previous day at Sao Paulo. Therefore, if a football match is being played at Sao Paulo, Brazil started in India at 6 am. It is Indian Standard Time. The local time at Sao Paulo would be 9:30 pm of previous day. So, dear student, next question, question number 4. If it is 10 pm on 21st June at prime meridian, write the dates of time at A, B and C in the table. So here A, B, C places are given, longitudes are given 160 east, 160 degree west and 60 degree east. So day you have to write down date and time. A place 120 degree east. The date is 22nd June and time is 6 a.m. Next in B place 160 west. It is the date is 21st June and the time is 11:20 a.m. 11:20 a.m. And the C place 60 degree east. The date is 22nd June and the time is 2 a.m. Next question number 5. Write the situation of place A shown in this diagram in the boxes below them. Sunrise, midnight, noon and sunset. So in first one is midnight, second one is sunset, third one is sunrise and the next fourth one is noon. So dear student, you have to write down this question answer in your notebook.